Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be very interesting. In this video, I am going to share 3 beautiful cardboard crafts which can be easily made with the material available at home. So you can say they are low cost, beautiful DIYs for home decor. Before starting the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel if you have not done yet and hit the bell icon as well. So let's start our first DIY. Cut same size cardboard strips, the size is mentioned on the screen, and cover them with masking tape so that it can be given smooth shape. Cover them all. Now I am using white acrylic color and painted them all. Taking a pinch of pink color in the brush and give the shade by mixing it well with the white color. I have colored in the same way. Now arrange them as I am doing and paste them with the cardboard strips from back side. You need to use hot glue. The glue must be hot enough so that they can be sticked properly. Now take a jute rope and paste on one side of cardboard. Wrap it around the board as I am doing and paste second end on back side again. I have pasted another piece of cardboard in the middle part of the frame in order to make it sturdy. Our base is ready now. Now it's turn to decorate it. I prepared some paper flowers. Start pasting the flowers on one corner of board with hot glue or Fevicol. The link of big roses and spiral roses I am going to share in the description below. And if you want to make another flowers as well, like sunflower, then please let me know in the comment section so that I will make the video and upload it. Paste on the other side as well. If you do not want to make these flowers, then you can use ready-made flowers which you can buy from the market. These little wooden clips you can get from any craft store. Now I am taking an old chain of mine and pasting it on the back side in order to hang the frame. Our beautiful frame is ready. You can use it either to pin your photos or your notes as well. It's looking very beautiful along with the fairy lights. I am going to use it as a pin board for my daughter and going to hang it near her study table. So now let's move to our second DIY. For that, I took a rectangular cardboard piece and cut it into heart shape, as you can see also. I am painting it with white acrylic color. I took another piece of cardboard, painted it as well with white acrylic color. I cut these small pieces to make the boundary and colored them as well with white color. Let them all dry. And after that, give the second coat for a smooth finish. This is the cap of Easy bottle. I cut the upper part of it and painted the rest of the part with white acrylic color. To make the shade of hut, I used these cardboard pieces and I removed the upper layer of the cardboard. You can use plain cardboard as well. I painted it with dark grey color by mixing black and white color. After that, I pasted them on the same size rectangular cardboard pieces. Paste the white piece of the cardboard on the hut with hot glue gun. Hold it for a while. Now paste the roofs as well by holding them for some time. Now I am preparing the boundary. To give them support, I am using a strip of cardboard on upper side of boundary. Paste on the front as well in the same manner. You can use popsicle sticks as well in order to make the boundary. I took a black cardboard piece and cut in the shape of window and gate and pasted them on the hut. This dried twig you will get easily. Paste it with hot glue in front of the hut. I prepared the small leaves by cutting the artificial leaves. Now I am taking a measuring cup of syrup and I covered it with jute rope in order to give it a look of basket. Paste the leaves and foam flowers. Now I am pasting a piece of rope to make the handle. I am pasting the basket near the boundary. I am using here the board pins. If you can get the hooks, you can paste them as well. To decorate them, I am sticking stones. Our beautiful vintage key holder is ready. You can hang it near the door or at the back of the door. This is looking quite amazing and giving the decor the vintage look. So let's move to our last DIY. For this also I have cut the strips of cardboard in the same manner as we have done for the first DIY. I am covering them all with the pink paper. Size of the strips is given on the screen. I have prepared 5 in the same size and 2 smaller. Arrange them like this. Now paste them with hot glue. This case I cut out of silver glitter sheet. Paste it on the frame. I am using same big roses and spiral roses to decorate it. To give it a bit rough look, I am using black crayon. It will give the depth to the door. I am using dolly lace here. Paste the flowers of your choice in different colors. I used white and pink color only. You can use artificial flowers instead of paper flowers. I cut these initials out of bronze glitter sheet and pasting them on the frame. This key I cut first on a paper by folding it in half and then trace it on glitter sheet and cut with the craft knife. Paste it as well. Paste the hearts now. I am using a piece of rope to hang it. Our beautiful dream fairy decor frame is ready now. It is looking really beautiful. My daughter loved it a lot and she hung it in her room. I hope guys you liked all the DIYs. Pin board is my favorite one. Which one is your favorite? Please let me know in the comment section. We'll come back soon with another exciting video and great ideas. Till then, better take care of your health, stay tuned and be crafty. Bye bye.